Hey guys, welcome to this video, building first web page with you. Yes, with you. And it is very easy. I will tell you how to build your first web page in your laptop, and believe me, it is very easy. Okay, so let's get started. Let's head on to your Chrome code. What is VS Code? VS Code is a code editor which lots of professional developers use this code editor to build the code, because this editor provides lots of functionalities which help the coder to write the code in very easy and handy way. So even I use this a lot. Believe me, if you can research, you can find that VS Code is at the top in all the code editors. So if you like hate VS Code, so I have some alternatives for you. You can use Sublime Code, Sublime Text, this one, or you can also use Atom. I don't know why this one, Atom. Okay, so if you click on the download link, so download Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever you are working on. Okay, so after download, head on your search bar and type VS Code, just VS. So a little pop-up blue window will show up. So now we will starting. Okay, just keep attention. Believe me, this is very easy stuff. And one more thing, I will also tell you tips and tricks later in the video. So watch this video very carefully. Okay, so head over to the file, click on new file. So this is our new file. First we save it. You can click on file and you can see save option. You can also use Ctrl+S. Okay, click on save. So this pop-up window will show up. So I will store in desktop. I make a folder web development YouTube, enter it. You can also make a folder, name whatever you want, and just save that file into that folder. Okay, so mostly this file will be our starting file, and remember, the starting file always known as index and extension, file extension. We are building a web page, and every web page make in file known HTML. So the file extension will be .html. That's it. And press enter here. Your file is saved, and you can see how the name changed. Start our first code. Okay, so HTML, this known as tag. So we can say we have a open HTML tag here, and we have a close HTML tag here. The next step, head tag. Don't worry about what is head tag, what is HTML tag. This is the basic rule to build a web page. So you have to follow these rules for every single web page. Okay, most of every website contain a title. What is title? I will tell you, but just for now we'll leave this empty. Just right here. Okay, so after the head, and remember to formatting the code. Okay, so after the head there is body tag. In this body tag, and don't worry about the spaces. Okay, like I'm doing so many spaces, don't worry about. Okay, so I just write my name, hello Sathinder. Okay, now save this file. Go to the file and click save. From now onwards I just use Ctrl+S. Okay, so now this file is our saved. Head on the Chrome again, open a new tab, close previous one, and here press Ctrl+O And now go to your desktop, in your folder, this index file. Click on this. Hello Satinder. This is our web page. This is also a web page because this is open into Chrome and path. See, web development YouTube, this is my folder name, and index.html, this is my file name. So this is our web page. Now, so if I try here, hello Satinder Singh, I save this file, Control plus S, I head back to my web page, I refresh this, I reload this page, or you can say, boom. See, this is very easy stuff. In the next video, we will be learning some new tags, okay? And the tip for this file is extensions. Like you can say, like if I type anything here, for example, I want to write title tag, title. If I press enter, it automatically opens and closes a tag for us, okay? And we can write anything here. Don't worry, okay? I will tell about this in the next video. So now this is the title, okay? So how it automatically comes up, how the code knows, how this code editor knows about this title tag, because of extensions. This VS Code provides us some lot of good features known as extensions, where we can just download the extension and enable for this our project, so it automatically knows which tag is open, which tag is closed, so it helps the developers. That's why it is always at the top. So how we can install a particular extension, because we have a lot of extensions. So if you head to the extensions tab, this one, click on this, so you can see this all I have. This is recommending. I have 19 install extensions, but for you is this one, HTML CSS support. You have to just search this HTML CSS support and click on the first one. Here you just see install option, install that, okay? The another one for you is HTML snippets, same install process. I told you this one already, and that's it. By installing that, you have to reopen the VS Code and reopen your file and try that. It will work. Definitely it will work. If you have any problem, any issue, comment down below or message me on my Instagram account. I will definitely help you. Okay, see you guys in next video, and if you like this video, please press the like button, comment down, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much guys.